Hey, today Deb and I are going to show you a nice little bookstore. It's here in the Villages. It's in the Colony Plaza, right next to Nails and Spa and Sushi. But it's called All Booked Up. It comes in handy if you're in a book club and you need a particular book, and the people are very nice. And
your books in, they scan it and give you 75% of the book price for you to have a credit. So when you get your books in here, you can apply your credit.
Yeah, and like I said, you see there on the table, it says two books for $2. But like I said, they have an indoor cat named Dory. Cutest little thing, it really is. I didn't even notice it when I was in there the last time, and it kind of reached out.
They wrote a book about Dory.
Oh, did they?
There's a book written about her.
I'll be darned. Well, like I said, come with us. We'll show you All Booked Up.
I'm looking for a book for my book club, so I'm going to go and find it in here.
Right.
It should be 10.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Hi. Is it okay if we video?
Sure. What do you video?
For our YouTube channel.
We advertise for businesses in the area, sort of give them people that aren't familiar with the Villages and the stores. Hey, look what's here.
Awesome. Yes.
Yeah.
Dory.
Dory's at home. We took Dory home when we closed for 7 weeks, and being shorter hours, and we just aren't sure about what's going on. We've taken her home and retired her.
Oh, well.
So-
Is she adjusting okay?
She is fabulous. As a matter of fact, I got a little photo screen there with some of her pictures at home, still in a box. We have boxes everywhere.
Yeah.
See, there's Dory.
But she's doing very well.
Good. Well, we miss her. We talked about her on the video and told people to come in and look at the cat even if they don't want to book.
Well, yeah. We got pictures of her now.
Right. Well, she is retired. How nice. She's like the rest of us.
Yeah,
well,
she lives in the Villages.
17 years old, so she's deserving of it.
Yes, a lady of leisure now.
Yes.
I was looking for a mutant message from Down Under.
Mutant message. Do you know the author?
Marjorie Malone, something like that.
50% off publisher's
I can pull
price.
that up.
Hey, y'all. Today we're at Square One Burgers. And Deb has a chopped salad. And doesn't that look good?
Dainty bite-sized pieces.
Yeah, and me, I was hungry, you could tell. I'm gonna push that out of the way. I have a Juicy Lucy burger and their famous onion rings. It's $5 on Wednesdays for their onion rings,
And worth every penny.
worth every penny. Looks really, really good. So we're sitting in the outside, and you can see they have the chairs put up and what have you, because they've got everybody distant. But like I said, it's kind of nice sitting outside here. But we're going to eat. Well, I've never been able to see one in the daytime, so. I think that's it. All I can see is just a straight line. Yeah. See, in the daytime, that's all you see.
Where's the ship?
Like I said, in the daytime, that's all you see, is that white line.
I see it.
You see it? Okay.
Yeah, it's right up there. The lead of it. Where that white line is, it goes up to the left. It's arcing to the left.
Okay, yeah, that's the way it usually goes. You left the door open. Now I've seen one in the daytime.